Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the most anticipated culinary face-off of the century, pizza versus burger. Tonight we have a battle of the flavors. Let's meet the teams. On Team Pizza, we've got a stacked lineup. The dough, sauce, cheese, and an all-star lineup of toppings, including pepperoni, mushrooms, and bell peppers.
Hello, I'm the dough. I'm the foundation of your pizza.
Hey there! I'm the pizza sauce made from tomatoes, garlic, and basil. I'm the tangy, savoury base that ties everything together.
Get ready for the ultimate melt. No team can out-cheese me. I'm the MVP of this game.
Team Pizza is fired up, but on the other side, we've got Team Burger. On Team Burger, we've got the heavy hitters, the beef patty, the cheese slice, lettuce, tomato, pickles.
I'm packed with flavor, juicy, and sizzling hot. I'll dominate the grill and smash any competition in my way.
I'm the cheddar, sharp and bold. Let's melt the competition.
I'm here for the crunch. I bring freshness to this game, and I'm ready to stack up against anything pizza throws at us.
And the all-important burger bun. All right, here we go. The game starts with Team Pizza.
Let's do this, team.
Spread a generous amount of pizza sauce evenly across the dough.
No part of this pizza will go unsauced.
Sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese evenly over the sauce. Layer your favorite toppings, such as pepperoni, bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, and olives. While the pizza is baking, let's move on to our burgers. Divide the ground beef into 4 equal portions. Season both sides of each one with salt and pepper.
Team Burger's all about that juicy, savory goodness.
Slice the burger buns in half. Toast the buns lightly by placing them face down on a skillet until golden brown. During the last minute of cooking, place a slice of cheese on each patty. Spread ketchup, mustard. Place the cooked patty with melted cheese on the bottom bun. Add fresh lettuce, a slice of tomato, and pickles. Top with the other half of the bun. Look at that. Now it's time to enjoy. The pizza are ready. The burgers is ready.
I'm golden and bubbly, ready to be sliced. Let's eat.
And I'm stacked high, juicy, and full of flavor. Let's enjoy.
Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today. Whether you're enjoying a pizza, a burger, or both, we hope you had fun cooking with us. See you next time.